Hello, this is Maestro X, and I'm going to go over the Level 2 academic word of the day, estimate or estimate, for Week 6, Quarter 1. Let's take a look at your flashcard. Estimate or estimate has 3 syllables, and the emphasis or stress is on the first syllable, est. The pronunciation of the last syllable depends whether you're using it as a noun or as a verb. If you're using it as a noun, we say estimate, estimate, estimate. If you're using it as a verb, then the A sound becomes a lot harder. So we say estimate, estimate. Do you hear the difference? Estimate for the noun, estimate for the verb. Let's look at the noun definition first. An estimate is a judgment that you make without having the exact details or figures about the size, amount, cost, etc. of something. So it's like a guess, but it's based on, based on some kind of evidence. You're looking at something and trying to make a judgment without counting everything. Okay? Estimate, the verb, is the action of doing so. When you form the idea of how much something costs or how big it is or the value of it, but again, without counting exactly. Alright? Let's take a look at your academic word of the day sentence. 250 handwritten words per page is a good estimate for determining how long your essay must be. So you can estimate that 700 words is 3 pages long. Okay? So your teacher might say, okay, by next Friday you need to write a paper that's 750 words long. So you estimate that, okay, if I'm writing by hand, that's going to take 3 pages. Because 250 words per page is a good estimate. Your adjective participle form is estimated. The guess itself, estimation or estimations, the plural. And if you guess too high, you overestimate. And if you guess too low, you underestimate. Synonyms, let's see, assessment and appraisal. These two are noun synonyms. You can make an assessment or you can make an appraisal. Like if you have some jewelry and you take it to a jewelry store and say, hey, how much does this cost? This ring that I've got, can you check? And they're going to make an appraisal or an assessment or an estimate how much it is worth. Or a guess. Guess can be used as a noun or as a verb. Your antonyms are fact or actual count. Fact, in other words, the actual, precise amount instead of a guess or estimate, or your actual count. And that's your academic word of the day. Be sure to write an original sentence using estimate or estimate in an original sentence about yourself, and include an illustration as well. Happy studying!